my people. I don't come again with this another saga wey dey ground. Baba wey dey smile, you too much for saga. I don't know. You say you go saga them this 2022, and now you to dey do so. You really dey saga them, not be small thing. My people, as I talk, and this 2022 go hot o. 2021 not just hot at all. E no hot o, because this 2022, this is January, the first month of the year. Saga just dey hot like this, my people. If you can't just reach the middle, how one waka, how one do now? My people, we dey here, we dey watch them. Make we dey watch how the saga take dey go on, how the saga take dey move. Make we dey watch am. So Papa wey dey smile, don come analyze, come talk about how he and proudmumtv take waka, wetin really happen between them. He don come talk am o. So my people, na proudmumtv na carry herself come out, come make people understand say he and Baba wey dey smile get issue. So and at the same time, he say saga enoge and him baby mama join am. My people, I go leave una for here. Make una watch this video. Make I no come talk everything finish. Before I go dey go, make I greet una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey across this channel, abeg una no forget to subscribe, to like, and to turn on the notification bell. And to my returning subscribers, I say may the Lord Almighty bless una. Una happy new year. As the thing dey go now, say make I still bring her come, make we still feel and hear for this saga as e dey hot, my people. Now I just dey bring her come give us sharp so that the thing, as e just say dey hot, not be only me one go dey hear am. So I go dey bring the latest updates, come dey give us, make we sef still dey enjoy am. So proudmumtv, people don dey saga her today, no be small thing. As I just dey pass, na so I dey see. If I scroll my phone go here, na proudmumtv saga matter dey just dey talk. No be small thing, my people. This one pass person o. If they don dey play, dey sweet, but when the quarrel go come, they go come like to brekete, to talk everything come out, and which is very bad. E no good at all. At least sometimes we go see they reserve some kind of thing, so that tomorrow when they don start to dey play again, they no go say, oh, wetin you tell me. So my people, make I dey leave una, make una bye bye.
Mommy lao ye yate guaye meniji lao meteo where nate where you plan mom this TV mama otabo you only from to back deliver mama it's all you know say that when are you there mama nite your papa we be the from Victor Yenania arag me every plan mom this TV I may secret to live from Victor oh mama Mama. Okay, mommy. Okay, mommy. What's up for you? Where's the mommy? Where's it? Please, my people. I want to beg you for something. I know say this life. Proud Mom Gist TV. Now, person. Hello?
Mesdames, mesdames, what Dieu?
Okay.
O fẹ́ wàyà kí. O fẹ́ wàyà tó fẹ́ kí. Kó wá o. Kí Monica o wàyà wà gbẹ́ o kìnì yìí o fẹ́ wà kí. 2022 saga continue. They no get to where yes is them. Mo kàn máa náwó yà àwọn òwe kejì nìyí.
True, a Proud Mom Gist TV. Alámi kele fàmí tó yẹ. A Proud Mom Gist TV gàrí tẹ̀lé gbé ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ dọ́rẹ̀ jù àrọ́ mi mọ́ àti ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ Proud Mom. Ẹ̀rẹ́ni. Òun ẹ̀ka kò tún zẹ̀bù nẹ̀.
Boy, Baba with the smile. When he be live video, he be wahara. Enoki, dami ho. Yes, so my people, I greet you now better style. This is Frank Victor, the Umenwantv, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media kubana, the social media the social media go basen. Enoki, me, I know they talk with me, I know the video do. When they type live video, yeah, they could one you will know say yes, I'm a man. It's a lawyer. Okay, you expect us to just see me with that woman, we just day. I'm not go fuck her. Yet it's a lick your head because it awake. You understand? Uhe negbe oho uhe noriya okpe adayi ne bio. Uga jeba ke ndo kpare ba. Ukmo gbegbo sigbe wa gbegbo sigbe no mufwa. Ija. Enogi du we won dio. Gumen send audio nuwe. Call him no gumen send audio gwe. Lu nyekpe. When baba with the smile. A proudmumtv TV. All live video do fully gbe. And when I fully burn you, why gbegbo? Okay, I don't have business with that. It's not my business. I'm a man. Any loose guard dog is gone from my hand. If you are a single mother, you lose guard for Baba with this man. I'm very free. You understand? You understand? You cannot say when there is salary say who the window the first in marry where I don't do that. Oh, but if first in marry, you only love in marry. Proud mom cannot force me to marry her. That's me for you. While I 200 live video presenter. Ofen wakne tinje. Ofen aharame waji. Omomo wahi. You don't force to marry. You beg for marriage. You beg for love. Oh, when I love you, una when you went at deal. Oh, marry you. Oh, what do I do? What salo again? Ya saliere, saloa. Be ya bad, not get control. So you look me see as I the live video, so I can't go marry that kind of woman when they talk anyhow. Woman will not get respect. Clap for yourself. Wazaga. You are bola wagbe. Omo say already live video ugba we fi wen je ba ri amala wa abi na boy. But for me I go marry you, get belly I go marry you. No, for this abroad. Not get belly me I come marry you. Because me want go marry person we not get room for us. All the people were live video, all the people were live video. Go me look about you. Audio go about you. Oko no to single mother no to boya mi be yo. How can a single mother who is full of lies see man put for her? For relationship, no matter how you beautiful rich, man must study you before you go marry you for us. Enoge, if you put Osama say you not study Osama say because of document. You just give woman belly they go. That is the reason why Osama say become a wolf in your house. You marry wolf for house. If you are a wise man, you must study the kind of woman when you want for house. Forget the fastest picking the person they come. If wolf gave birth to you, gave birth to children for you, all the children will get now wolf they be. Because if you as a man not get sense, you go marry a woman will not get sense, you not go let born e bedside and stupidity. Full cup hand. You feel me so? So because woman just fine, as a guy, master, just be like this. Woman just see me, you just say this guy do like video and presenter. He get followers. Then one just grab me to herself. When you know say I get woman for house. When you know say that me and Ibo they stay. And they talk now with English, not be saying now with Benin. I don't want to use Benin Kele this man. I don't bless now only Benin people they listen to me. You deal with white woman, black woman, one just tie you for her because you just say, don't see fine, boy. You get document when they never see for life before. It is a document that they find. I make me see dates now. There's a document I just live. Let my problem. This is a document I look for a woman who never born for me for the past how many years now. If I document my problem, woman for never born for me for the past how many years now. Why I say me I not get sense, Abi? Because I stupid. That woman, you and man get something. under 2 weeks. Under 2 weeks, you just expect maybe the man just turn your own. Relationship of just 2 weeks, you just expect maybe the man just turn your own. Inside that 2 weeks, now full of course. Will never respect no beer. I feel the live video here now they talk. If you see me after live video, I'm different. If you see me after live video, I don't feel they follow you, they talk all this talk. Instead that they think. My after live video not to calm down and they use my brain for better things. Now you will see woman. Oh, go erowa. Everything nagging. Any man wey marry woman where they nag, they end up for beer palo. If you are a man, live video presenter women, not only look the appearance for social media, go close where you look at. If not so it be for house. Go close where you look at, so it be for house. Woman were born for 2 man, the 2 man not stay with her. Now the woman they find married by fire by force. Without man when you want to enter the marriage, you don't know so you go think, you go look where ground before you enter. As a man, woman born 2 pikin for man, you born two different pikin for different father. You not stay with her. Before you go live with that kind of woman, you go study that woman very well. Know what to mean that woman. That 2 men don't stay. If that thing will make you stay, common sense is not common. I don't want to talk, I keep quiet. You know me say I be fool. Not be all relationship with man dope. It go lead to marriage. For this life, men they play married men, they get women for house, they see they play game. They dope. Codedly without their wife not gonna know. You feel me so? So you always expect, say you can't see because you see say frank vacancy. Say frank vacancy, you want to grab onto yourself, maybe your own. And the funniest part, may God not let me marry a woman will go take me away from my family. Woman will be say, I'm not going to feel the pick call. Another woman call for her presence. When you know the kind of person where you be, public person, you know go feel pick calls of another woman for her presence. You go drop phone for them before you call, you go into your privacy. Go to check your phone, you check your messages. Then you see people with the smile like me, and you can't look that kind of woman, computer for us, I will kill her before I know what will happen. And that kind of woman can never be my wife. If me and you get anything we do, now we just chop ourselves. You chop me, I chop you. Fine, everybody will carry on. Then the next thing you tell me, say, I get belly. You want to use belly to type about with the smile for grand. I buy for you. As it's like you get belly, you don't see go mother phase 3. See go mother phase 3. The same woman, when you go look to the go to meet your enemy, they follow the rapport. They follow the flow. Your own enemy will go to follow the flow. You go know with your enemy. You go to follow the flow. That kind of woman you go expect to be that kind of woman to be your wife. Now people are they asking a question. What's about with this man? I'll keep quiet. It's how many weeks now? This I don't know what they do. Make peace for rain. I was shortalized yesterday when Iyore called me. Iyore called me. I was surprised when Iyore called me. What did that happen? Why did they call me? Say, get audio way in here. Which audio? Say, get audio. You know, yes. Which audio? Forward the audio for me and hear. You say, one audio. When you go sleep with one woman, you come and call it down. Say, which audio? Forward the audio for me. Forward the audio for me, back. I listen to the audio of Iyore and what do they call them? Iyore and proudmumtv. I play and laugh. I said, this one they fool itself now. This one not concern me now. Me not guy man now. I follow woman run things. I chop and clean my work out my own. What's the level? I be big boy my own. I don't get that time. But me all this one they kill yourself and not concern me. 2 women they fight because of one man. Woman will not send you. You they fight because of one man. The man not send you. The man put you on that woman has this. They enjoy himself. Now they kill themselves because of one man. But they go cook beans. This one a child is not one the things we will do for what we do Nigeria. What they go for Nigeria. I beg God this one. If you know, if this come on for live, come on for live video. Say what did happen? What thing want come on for live video? The audio with me how they play on me the year. How they fear to fuck me? They fool themselves now. Edo wa gbina ye franc. Wa ko aga ke franc. Wa aga ni an. Wa mo de bo nya go wa e because e mo no da fu wa fi lu wa kwa. De wa da fu wa fi lu wa kwa ma mi kya gbe yu wa mu gun wa gun e wa gu wa. Sister ya ka lo we.
Who be your second?
You know, we don't say we just got the chest plan. I'm my second, but she did fine.
Me and you the check plan. You know you they talk to. Now if you follow. And me and you the check plan.
No, with the chef Frank, man.
Me and you sheriff Frank.
You just come up from the house, now your turn, huh?
If Frank just come, but you for record Frank now, you go record and say you are.
Why go record and 2 weeks in now, enough fucking see petrol with them everywhere with the nut.
Listen, may I tell you, you be useless to go water. See, go water, wait, don't get it. You know the shit. What kind of man where you going for?
I know your own call. He tell you are the alive. What else you want? Oh, sure. Yeah, that's what I tell my life. You see, go what I need to pay you.
This is 2020.
Audio Sarah.
This is 2022. Are we a bad fit?
Are we a man?
What go and fake a friend? That man, no, a favorite boyfriend. Go more than one look, you're not the way. Boy,
Not be prank. You know, say I quiet all this while. Don't be prank. Egbe wa wo me. No bien. Ari. No bien. Wa. Gboko we na o we mfi wa ya. Gboko we na o we mfi wa. Iko ni control nu. Iko ni control ni self discipline. O mfi wa. O biela biya wa ni. That's the reason why I like when I busy now. Or say like when I make control. That's the reason why I'm here where you know agbo agbewu ni no ya do here. And I disgrace you on social media. That is the reason why, because you marry a woman that don't have control, a woman that doesn't have self-discipline. Oh, do set it go. Oh, no, even not rubbish. You cannot say it in my presence. You know the reason why? We are even he coordinated. He Sunday, but misbehave. You dey feel me so? I'm not a tolerate nonsense for woman heart. You to be we rubbish in it. Phone on it. And this was this. This is what exposed her. This video now, this recording now, there's very recording now, or exposing me. Because you deny and anyway, you know they call any of them, you know they call any of them. You know how many you call what, you know they call it here, you know they call any of them. Then my eye be on her. I they look me. My eye be on her. Say this woman, on my pure. Ya call her come. We show we my call you. We call you. We imagine you. Imagine now. Me gamer. All our conversation which she send, they bully people on fake account. You know what I'm saying? A conversation with a voice record no big game, and a voice record no big game. Single mothers who they always use their children, they swear when they know what thing they do, and they pity those children. May God forgive you now. Who are we now? Who are you? Monu be available. Who are you? Monu we be ya available with that on my way and where they anyway. But today, this first record came to me since about 3 to 5 days ago. Every first record not going before days ago. Every first record I didn't play it until yesterday. I was surprised if you call me. Ni mwezofa, ni forget a zone mamie gui. And you know what now? You money like when you came on ni be careful basing gomoda. No, like seriously? Focus me and you the quarrel. But I must tell you the truth. This woman, you know you're good at all. Why you going to do this kind of thing? I say, what's be a problem? You know what? Tell me the food in one shop. You understand? Fine. Now, if you do, what talk about a woman now, it's a shame. See, I go this woman's house as all of us see for live video. Fine. I go assist her normally. This woman, Proud Mom Gist TV, and if not be saying that the wisdom where I still use, maybe for parts like this one, we did one of the see so. Each one now just the beginning. What is they call her? Kate, give this woman a strike for her YouTube. Kill this woman YouTube. I say kill this woman YouTube finish bar. Let me hear. I know the record person, but my brain na recorder. Nothing will happen 10 years ago. We analyze on. I want to tell you now so. She called the Murphy. The Murphy help am beg Kate. Kate no gree. He call. What do they call this woman? What be this woman name? Susie. Then he called up the next he called me. Because I help am beg Kate. I tell her say me and Kate na enemy. I don't know Kate no know me before. I don't get anything to do with Kate. And as I call a party, she don't call a party, but Kate not here. I say, really? She says, yes. Okay. I can't lock up. As they talk, this girl call. What be her name? Ekia Queen. Ekia Queen call her. After Ekia Queen call this girl, Ekia Queen tell her, say, Kate, say, make you help, make you join her, strike her, YouTube, make they kill her, YouTube down. So the thing that can't touch me, say, okay, so this women, they plan evil. To take this say just Proud Mom Gist TV YouTube down. And I said, no, this thing can't touch me. Now I said, okay, don't worry. Let's see what I can do. First of all, all those your video with your YouTube, you need to privatize them. Put up a private. While they listen, no. She can't say she don't know how she wanted to do one. She don't understand that. She calls me, I mean, she give me her email. Me now, I call the fear because me not come be like anything go put to that YouTube because something already I put to the YouTube. Me not come be like saying me do one. You understand? That kind of if you do one, you go there, you go to see and say you dey assist that person. When I listen you, I don't know. When I share this video, so not quite long, Kate, normally say Kate and Ekia Queen don't already strike this woman before Ekia Queen go call this woman. Now what it provoke me? As before we know what happen, YouTube don't send message, go give this one, say, 6 strike. If you want to kill YouTube now, 3 strike, they give kill YouTube. They can't give this one 6, extra 3. Hey, this one YouTube, they drop and they give this one 7 days for our YouTube to be terminated and condemned forever. This one, because of money where they said that YouTube is close to about 4,000 naira. 4,000 euros where they said that YouTube. Where this one collect. So what this man tell me, because just like that, the money go go, the YouTube go go. Now it's okay, no worry. You know what's gonna happen? Let me see what now if you do. Make I talk to my woman. You dey feel me? Make I come help you assist you run this thing. Before this thing, this woman, I mean, they toast this woman. When they toast this woman, she grow. She go say, "Look, man, when you costing me, which you costing me?" I say, "I'll come," because I was still at the observer, so I don't get that full confidence to go see her. At the observer attitude. Even if you get what she tell one day, I block her. As they still break, I can't see open her. Because out of anger, I block her. As they break, I can't open her. Before this strike of a YouTube can come. That's why I come to my room and say, okay, how far? I want to go see my sister. You defend me, you can't say, okay, no problem. Come buy tickets. I can't go, can't even drive. The place far from my place, my woman drive almost about 4 hours, 5 hours journey. Early morning, we come out. We drive reach 4 hours before I come from there, enter train. From that city, enter train to our city, Stuttgart, which is 2 hours plus. As I reach there, she come pick me. I can't go to her house. I can't start the help and do the level. I can't do one because if I do one today, they go accept some. If I happy to YouTube go accept some. They go reject some. They go accept some. They go reject some. They go accept some. That's why I cut the help and they do one. The help and they do one. I cut they spend 2 weeks for that woman house. Oh, but so they do so groovy they start. I be gammon at this. I know no dumb moment. I don't feel your house go they dolly. You they feel me so. And they follow up. And they see the way she, normally she see the follow up normal level as a babe. Oh, but now the firing squad starts. You know, normal level, now, gamma, doping system must be activated. If you know yourself as a gamma, I fire them. Oh God. No, for real, that woman did well. In terms of that side, don't go try him. Some single mother sweet too. I have my drink. I want you. Okay now. We enjoy ourselves normally as boyfriend and girlfriend. I believe on the filming. Boyfriend and girlfriend, we enjoy ourselves as the beach, as the sweets, as the follow up. Normal level. Anyhow, it take talking. Fire down. I dey observe. You dey feel me so? I dey observe. Even the time I'm supposed to leave her house, which I tell my woman, it could pass. I can't have to let my woman know, say, man, see, this thing I go help her do. They never accept and finish. So you just give me like few days. My woman can't call change, say what the bill. I can say, calm down, what's on your own? Relax, I'll come back. If I don't come back, I'll call you, come pick me. She say, okay, no problem. So I can tell her and say, come. I don't talk to my boo. See the day when I come out to. She can say, okay. I might be say, okay, if you come out, my luggage where I carry, my small luggage where I carry, because me I leave on. So maybe I go back to my woman house, go carry all my full clothes, come they stay with her. We just start marriage. Yeah. Now I say, it's okay. I just lock up. I not talk. I say, as guy man, no, I just chill. I say, I hear. Until say, because my book, my they quarrel. My book say, maybe come pick me. I say, no, I'm not grief. If that not reach, where they can call you. When you come pick me, that one called the paro. So that paro necessarily one the paro, so the paro for me, I paro for her. That one goes okay. If I not come, you want to throw my things for us and not say it throw away. You feel me so? Okay, me and my boo one, so call the finish. Now so the girl, I call the girl says, me and my boo we don't the quarrel because of this your matter. I beg. I want to go meet my woman. You feel me so? You can't say no, what you make a boo no ibo. We all stay together. We just I can't say we all stay together. Say no. This woman not clear. Because why? I dey see her attitude. I dey see her attitude. Any small thing you go dey chook head for my phone. This small thing dey chook head. If I hear they receive call, problem. If I receive call, problem. France go call me. Now, if I receive France call, na problem. It don't they complain. You go hear the call. You go hear the call. Now they help me. I said, I call your house, come wash plates. Now they help me, they wash plates. Now they help me, they do this one. Let me go carry to the go school. I come on, they wash plates. I say, hey, me when you just really call your house. I call your Zadi Suma, say, hey, am I so why you get this over? Say, me see wahala. I say, okay, I dey lock up. I dey observe her. Really, she not bad in terms of say maintenance. She's cute, she's okay. You understand? As a woman, when matter dey, egba no one for normal level. She get her own for body. You feel me so? We go still quarrel normally, we still settle. Quarrel normally, we settle. You feel me so? We say we quarrel, don't be smoting. We just quarrel bust everywhere. To the extent if I can't even stand down. You understand? I say, come, this one what they do so. Pour some, I don't they collect all these things so. Now, person will be say, as you just they do all. But if you hand down, if you give her on your hand, she go lock up. You understand? Of course, that was okay. Different women they see for life. This one, I always say, now when you beat them, your head will correct. If you not touch them, you go to ride you. You go want to oppress you. You go want to use power for you. Now say no. As a man, I have to use my head. I know what I define for relationship. I know the kind of person I want to spend. Me myself, I'm not good. I get my body. You get my body. Me they hot. You they hot. If we marry, we will kill ourselves. You dey feel me so? I call her servant. I'm not too perfect. Even when I dey at house, I will dream. No, I'm not a pick call. You understand? I dream a very dangerous dream. And that dream, she no know say na that dream. Now she that now dream that dream for. And I'm not going to fit and say, now yourself I dream that dream for. I shine the dream, go give my ass. So see what I dream concerning my ass. I kill her for the dream. You feel me? So she goes say, really? I say, yes. So me as a wise man, where I be, I know myself. I have to use my head, say, oh there man, no road here. No road for here. I have to use my brain. You feel me? From the beginning, everything's sweet. No relationship where you will start with quarrel, never. I never see where they start relationship with quarrel. If then they start relationship with quarrel, the woman will open the door for you. Now the normal level, the woman will open papers for you, make you dope. If relationship start to quarrel, you as a man, you need to be lovely, caring, romantic. Give her sweet words. Give her promises. Before she go for open that leg for you. They know they just drive the enter the leg, not be okpo. You the first thing not deal with husband, not be okpo. You must give her words. Where she go take, we go sweet her mind. Fine. So when we enter inside the CIB, next thing, during that period, now my sister they do marriage. When I listen, my sister do marriage during that period. A lot of people there. I bring my woman, my sister account number come out. People start to they put money. You understand? Some even put money after the marriage. To the extent, one of the girl where they help and they grow on YouTube, if a rose, come send my sister 100 euro. Come send me the receipt, send my sister 100 euro for the account we are given. This woman go see the conversation. As I see her, they ask me, I said, me and Feroz don't think we will know. Yes, Feroz is my girlfriend. Don't think we will know for the past 3 years. But we never see for real grant. I did Jamie here. We never see for grant. You understand? We use the talk for phone and they help her for YouTube. This woman go pass my back, they go the right, they bully that one. I never pay your bride price. Go the right, they bully that one. They play voice record, they bully that one. Okay, after set I've done, we still settle in peace and harmony. We do money never day. We follow up. I come, when you both call me, or you both come pick me. I mean, I should get a go to buy ticket. Come house peacefully. As I come house on Saturday, on Sunday, my beautiful people, I have to go with my white woman. We go to their family house, go for get together party. And they get together party. So there's another video follow. How my work, I know they put on a live video. Most of the people where they follow the work, they don't even like this live video for tea at all. You're the famous so. Sunday, I leave her house on Saturday evening. Sunday afternoon, around 12, I did together, I did party with my woman family. We did together, we did eat. This woman sent me message for my phone, which is my normal business line. The phone was not on with internet. The message not go. If you send message for WhatsApp, if you show 2 dots, means say the person the internet. If you show 1, means say the person internet don't do the person phone. If you show blue, you know say the person don't look the message. As well as a wise person, you send message for person. The person she not even show too good. That's to say person not the internet. Now you call me direct on my German line. I will get down in the eats. As I see the call, I end the call. I decline the call. I'm not pay the call because I don't my woman. After the party, as I reach us, the first person where I have to call, now she. I call her, I return the call back. As I return the call back, she declined the call. More than 4 times I return call, she declined her. What's going to make this girl decline my call? I have to send message, no reply. The next time I forward video to her so that she will put for her YouTube. The next thing she will forward back the video to me with insults. Tell me, see, make I forward the video to my useless Igbo woman with my Fero's girlfriend. I say, see they worry this woman. What's the worry this woman? See your problem is where I come Josh land. You want to be the black woman where I don't come the house. With you, everybody, the whole world don't know say if they black my house. Not let you. Why you the misbehave? What's your problem? You don't finish you. So I don't write back. Don't insult all my generation with comments. I call them again. Bah. Don't they talk? Enough for public prick. And that word, one of the listeners, you know, some women, they know how to talk. They know how to. Not they say they know how to talk. They know how to lie. Because all they are talking a lie. Where for the K with you, where for the K with you, I will still let you know. I say, make sure that word, say, enough for public prick. I say, yeah. Now, say, I want marry public bekus. When you know, say, me, my this, my mouth not good. You want to follow me, tell me, say, you get bad maths. Let me say, you die well. You die well. She don't start to, you read this, it's so too much for social media. What now, what you should do? I say, what's it be this my problem? You talk, I have to call. I can't call and say, come. What's be your problem? You don't insult me. Now I say, okay, fine. When I see the insult, we just exchange insult to each other. The insult was too much. Me as the man have to calm down for her. Since she did do, me can calm down. Okay, baby, don't do, sorry. Forget it, don't do. Even before then, yeah. Come on, say, calm down, don't do. Forget nothing. This is what you call it so. If they call you now for public, like a crowd called you, say, Proud Mom, what's cause quarrel between you and Frank? Like, what do you want to talk? I leave your house yesterday with peace. Today, you called me, I'm not picky. I deal with my woman. You don't even know where I did. You don't know what happened to me. You not pick. The next thing I insult. Just they insult me. They insult my woman. My woman, you don't know. The same woman will even drag me. Then I can't even assist you for your YouTube. The same YouTube where they pay you about 2,600 or something, close to 2,600 or something euros. Make the money not die. You know, instead where you go say, Frank, take pure water. May you drink. Now insult. Now wickedness and jealousy. Humiliation and disgrace. You understand? You don't buy my ticket or where I come do this thing for you. You don't buy ticket for me. I use my own money. I still will still drive, you know, because if I say make a buy ticket for where I did to your where you did, you go reach 100 and something euros. I have to perere my woman, perere and talk to her. Where she will drive me half of the road. They buy ticket from there. Come see you. She can't still drive from her own side. Come your own city. Come Stuttgart. Come pick me for 7 hours drive. So now the bekus we will stop. He said, you know, whether me no fuck am. Now the fucking now you be okay, no problem. Normal level. Now say no wahala, you clear. That one not my problem. I know you ask you for money. But what you call they provoke me? Now, I be shetro now. I be shetro. You be expect me I give you money. You be expect me I give you money. You be anybody you be expect. I say, come, me ask you for money. I call you as I ask you. You give me 1 naira. We enjoy ourselves normal level. As one ever come out for normal level. As one come out, still show my pocket. I still dash money. Say take, or still share money for your children. You understand? But your attitude there, where I just look you. I say, I mean, no road here. I have to deviate myself. Okay, I don't still count down because they study person. Let's continue studying ourselves. After you insult me Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of it. And they listen, no. Tuesday saying get belle. So, you say what? You get belle. Here. I said, my friend, you know the okay. For inside the insult, this one, you know, say you get the way woman go talk to you. You go, you know, say, this woman, okay, because out of anger. We insult each other. If they insult me, they insult my parents, they insult everybody, up and down. Then I say, come, this is why I can't sleep with her soul. If you can't get belle, if you can't get belle, you go carry the belle give moment. You go carry the belle this now, say my sister. If you get belle, after you first get 2 picky, no father. 2 picky, 2 father. You go make a 3 picky, 3 father. You understand? You do not see man on the stay your hand. I wire on. You understand? If I am me, I fire on. If you insult me one, if you throw one insult to me, you go throw one, go give my woman. If you throw one, go give me. This will not be waiting. Be say my woman never know. You know, my woman there is that with me here. I see all this is where because my woman is aware. I want to live fake life. You feel me so? The insult I have to tell her the truth. Now me, Baba with this man. What is they special to me? Now where I did so, where they put my hair. Now they special down all this chama shoe, all those nyama. We don't get direction. We don't drive their husband. They find small boy when they want for house. We go feel they whip the way. You understand? Loving a woman not by force. Your attitude will drag man closer to you. Your attitude will make man fulfill all the things which you get wrong. Follow you. When you say, no matter how the man go ugly, the people go say, no marry this man. The woman go say that this man go follow because of the character of the man. So you cannot force a man because you say the man is handsome, is good looking, he they whip you well, or you know they whip you well, or they suck you well. You want just by fire by force grab the man to yourself. It's not easy. One man where all the single man they want away, now you want grab to yourself. He go hard though, my sister. They go show you wrong. You feel me? So men not come on, especially when we get sense. You feel me? I tell myself, God, relax yourself. Any small thing, I go come out for you. I go come out for you. I go come out for you. I say, you probably get now. Any small thing, I go come out to live video for you. I go come out for live video for you. I come to the public what happened. I come to the public. You say, hey, what they get now? My sister, before you tell the public what happened, me, when I let you know, say, you're supposed to first know the calm man who you follow. Say, this man, if that you can one day okay, if that feel better kwa very good. All of them when I get me feel better kwa very good, make it admirable. You supposed to know, say, person like Baba with this man. You supposed to know, say, me feel better me kwa very good. I tato we la Libya. We shock him normal. Then you feel say because if you not send anybody, you don't send your family, you want form activities for Baba with this. I don't see you. All your conversation, me I'm not to disgrace you. You feel me? I don't want to disgrace you. I don't want to disgrace you. I want make you come out, come they talk. Where before I'll start to disgrace you. It's unfortunate say you just do it today. I want me to make your talk plenty. See, for the past 2 weeks when you talk for live video, they go know the difference between when I did with you for house. When I did Proud Mom just TV house, you were lovely. Your face cool, calm. You feel me so? So you're supposed to look yourself in the mirror now. Look with your content, what you say they call your content. All the voice record where you play, where you take if a rose say all the content where you do, now Frank they do one for. It then my inbox, bro, baby. And I tell you, see, you be my babe. You don't get sense. You have to let me teach you work. Then you forget sense. You see all those Emenogi and the rest people, they be children, they don't get sense too. In terms of live video of a team, brokers of a team, I will teach them work. You feel me? If you watch my broadcast, you go no say, I not come here, just enter with hungry. And then settle down, they diagnose my work, my work. You know, if I do your house, you dey see me at the rehearse before I come out for live video. At the rehearse, I dey edit myself first. Before I come out live. On the diagnose what I rehearse give you. You feel me? When they say, if I dey talk for live video, they disgone women. But the woman where I deal with, I dey respect them. I dey give them their own respect. You know, before you, since where I did this Europe, I know how many women I don't follow. You don't see me come out for live video, come talk about, see how woman do me, or see how woman treat me for live video. No, you know they happen. I'm not stupid. Not be all relationship where you go into the lead to marriage. When a man begin to talk anyhow, they talk how it is sleep with woman for social media, no woman will want near them again. You feel me? But if you feel because you be a shower, you go road work for many years, you don't get shame, you want to disgrace yourself for life, I will help you disgrace yourself. That's what me be. I not call you for come blow yash. I not call you to come do a shower. I not call you to come carry drugs. I not call you to come carry drugs. You feel me? Now waiting my hands key down on the shop. That's why I get rest of mind. That's why I come out for life with boldness talk. All those ones where they investigate up and down. Since how many months now? Where Monica and no what they call them? They don't investigate. You see any tangible thing they bring come and come talk? No. Everything where they bring come out now, all false lie. And the people when they listen to them, know say, all these people they lie, they don't get what they talk. Now the person will go fit cage for his house, now come and so not be me. You suppose know. And I talk with Bona, they use my hand to hit my chest food because I know the two way. You the feel me so? Not be disgrace. Now you the disgrace yourself. Now you come out, come disgrace yourself. You are supposed to be elevated. I'm supposed to brush you up. You go normal. But if I go, you the feel me so? And they see black men when they see they follow Oyibo, they'll get darky. Their Oyibo go no. Their Oyibo go no. Probably they are born on the field, they not go fit born again. The black go they born for them. One time reach everywhere balance, you go switch. Go deal with your family, normal level. You go even they come the black, the Oyibo house. They go they buy you things. Now better arrangement. Better arrangement, they go see God. If you this abroad, they are alright, but you but your own. You say you're jealous, you are a jealous lover, and you remain single. Up to now with 2 children and 2 fathers. You jealous for the first one, you don't work out. You jealous for the second one, you don't work out. You don't go change your IQ. Change your IQ, my dear. You feel me? You they come and call them motivate women. Italian people. Italian boys not good. Italian boys not true. Italian boys not Charlotte. Now carry Charlotte back. You need my get passport. You need my way get passport. My way I need now. My way go marry me. Now the man go get passport. You go get documents. You go get this son. You go get this one. Me, I get what did I get? I be boy. I be baby boy. To my woman. You feel me so? You are supposed to be respected as a woman. If you follow me, they don't respect you. That means you don't fool your hand. You fool your hand big time. You see when I come to your house, you see the kind of straight way you get. I get me of your avant. You hardly see told in the daytime. Either it's after something or something is after him. For me to come to your house, you're supposed to be happy. So now bless the entire house. But you turn your blessing to disgrace. When I never come to your house, nobody saga you. Nobody disgrace you. Upon all they plan together to kill your YouTube, to end your YouTube, with all the money within inside, but you still, me I come to your house, you still collect the money within inside. When they're supposed to pay you that much, you collect them. Then how the YouTube take that? Now your stupidity. You could have been rejoicing now. By now, you sit down, they happy. Say yes, you be really Odunga. You go to use her and hit chest. Say yes, you be really Odunga. This woman, Esther Talk Show, is now good evidence. Monica strike Esther Talk Show on YouTube channel. When I did your house, the same day when I did your house, Monica strike Esther Talk Show YouTube channel, and Esther Talk Show call me. Now your house I did when I type on, I do everything. Esther Talk Show don't get a YouTube back. As we speak now, she get her YouTube back. I not go her house. She just give me her email, everything. I put up my system. Everything they work clear. She get her YouTube back. They strike, they remove her. But your own jealousy and out of wickedness. Person will not find you. You find her. You want to do apologies. You got to apologize to what did they call her? Or Nogie and that's all that people what did they call her? That she with they tally. That's what they tally. You go make apologies to those 2 people. You say because they don't find you, that you find them. My sister, make I tell you. If you want to make apology, you make apology to the whole world. Not really those 2 people. I tell you for your voice record, I play voice record for you. I said, not with those two people you will make apologies to. Make apologies to the world. Say you are sorry for the way they carry their videos. The insult way they follow their video, way they put. You understand me so? Social media, with a saga each other. With a saga ourselves. You don't see any of ourselves. You don't see any of us jump one-on-one, go kill ourselves. You know they. Upon all they do saga, you don't see any of us see each other face to face, call they fight. You know they. Now here we start and here we end down. But your stupidity, you think say na proudness. You use on a proud. You just call yourself proud mom. Now foolish mom. You're not a proud mom, my dear. Now foolish mom TV. Go change that name. I look like person where they do prank. I've been not going to they call me since all this while. Frank, what did they happen to this woman? What did they happen to between you and this woman? Make you not vessel, make you not quarrel. I say, it not concern me, concern. Make sure they do, make sure they talk. Make sure they talk. If you say that make sure they do, one use me to do what they call content. Make sure they do what they do. What be this one? Yeah, I will reply you when I go to me. I'll tell you when I go to reply you this comment with this person comment. Me I see that comment. If you say Frank, you too dey lie. Say when you know why you don't feel restore your video when you know get strike you. I go reply you that comment before this weekend. I will reply you that comment. You understand? I will reply you that comment when you comment. So I will reply you. I don't forget. The other people say I don't know your name. I will reply. I'll call your name for the video when I will do. Bloggers base. I go reply you that comment. When time reach me, I can look my YouTube first. Then I tell you when I go reply you that comment. I not get work. Now I share this YouTube my work. Now here they sleep. They feel me. Now here they get my work. This year they call the follow on the zoo. If I see this year, don't tire for to the press, I will still come and come talk. What I want to talk, I enter us. Yes. As I was saying, you dey feel me? Okay, now my people, as they come talk, the story long, but I just cut and short. You understand? I don't know if they talk. No, everything woman will talk. Like, you understand? On the story now. Everything man will talk because now fine woman. Many men still need to go. You understand? So we still need to go. On this story. Oh God, everywhere go. Leave those story where should they talk a live video. I need this man. I need man where go need this one. I need man where go get me bra. I need man where go cover me. I need man where go help me they carry my children they go school. I need man where go help me they do this one. The father of the children they wear the ways they follow us another person's house. If they wear I got my trick. Motivational speakers. We never motivate himself. We want to motivate others. We won't leave that side for another day. That record I'll play and finish because that video, I'm not lying. This record, I never listened to now. When if you first send for me like yesterday, bam, as I just hear her voice, I just move on. Because you know when person don't irritate you, you don't want to listen to her voice. I never hear her voice. I just move on. You understand? Bam. Now, what think will happen? After she do the talk. The next thing, she have not they call me, not they pick up. Since I talk finish, and they call me distract me. No wahala, Benin, no wahala. So when these things they go on, people they call. Today say go see call. What's they call me? Some of the message you go see in my inbox. Because I block them for all angles. All angles of YouTube. Because the voice record they play for each other, and they cost me, and they cost her, and they cost me, and they cost. If you play voice record for me, I will play voice record. Now in the same voice record is if we phone, me go play am for now. Now go in live video, go listen to the voice record, the insult where we insult each other. Because in the save one, in goes as I forward as I play for her, it goes forward down to your other phone. Save one, me they delete and not get time. Because better things now they save my phone. You dey feel me so? This one say fans start to dey suck kpekus. Who tell you say how you go stop? How go stop to suck kpekus? Unless the kpekus dey smell, the dirty. If the kpekus clean, you must suck am. If you no come suck kpekus for woman body, wetin you come chop? Now you have to come do back 2 minutes before you come out. Abi talk another thing again. Now no make sense. That one called picture away. You dey feel me? So as I was saying, I see the way it is with the social. I have to block her. Totally block her. Come on, not last second. You don't know say me get woman. So in terms of the YouTube, look at when I listen, because as I come my house, our YouTube channel deal my system, and my YouTube channel also deal with her. My own YouTube channel deal with me. Immediately those calls start. I have to remove her as admin from my YouTube immediately. Sharp. I remove her from my admin. For here, where I won't up to her YouTube channel. Then immediately YouTube send message. As YouTube send message. So when I come see and say she don't collect the money, they don't pay her already. So as YouTube don't pay her, I come say thank God, YouTube don't pay her. Now when YouTube pay her, definitely they give her 7 days for. Now I come up to about almost 3 weeks because I can't appeal the case. YouTube call they investigate the case. After the investigation, YouTube can't pay her. During the investigation, YouTube can't pay her the money. 2,000 plus what they pay her. They can't pay her the money. Still remain almost 2,000 plus for her YouTube. We deal with YouTube. So the next thing I say, the money we see that this YouTube still big go. You understand? So this money will just still go like this. I have to write YouTube because it still remain about 4 videos. Still remain 4 videos which you need to retrieve back. I can't write YouTube. So I write YouTube. YouTube not going to accept those 4 videos. So then they come to me and say, okay, they're going to ask me questions. If I go answer those questions, I say, okay. Next thing I'm going to have to call her. I call her, she no pick. I have to play voice record for her. I say, come, don't be say, get what I want to use you do. Me not be like, say, I wicked. You understand? Me and you, they qualify. We know they talk to each other. We know they, everybody there in only but. The message you guys see now, if we don't answer this message, this YouTube will go down. This your YouTube, it will go down. When I watch when he do that video, which he can't say, thank God, he don't get his money back. You understand? So now I say, we fast answer this message, or else I can't play voice record, go give her. So she can't still play voice record with me. Hey, just talk normal level, normal women talk now. Hey, you don't see your life now. You say you don't want me again, you don't want me again, but you still they help me, they do my YouTube. I say, but carry your wallet, they go that side. Me not there for the one with this. So how far I won't talk to this YouTube? They want to ask me questions. So if I write them, in case they ask me questions where I don't understand, I feel ask you the question. If you can answer, I say, okay, no problem. I have to write YouTube. We started to talk. She they call with me, they listen. You understand? When I do run the things here for my office here with the YouTube. So after we run off all the necessities so let's make I bring, I give them. As I give them finish, they tell me, okay, the next 24 hours, they go answer me. One of the listening to my people. So they come through. We come through. Not come come. What will be your problem? After I don't through with YouTube, I come answer, babe, come. What will be your problem? Calm down. If me and you the quarrel, it's normal. You understand? With the quarrel, fine, which is normal. But let peace reign. You understand? All this quarrel, back, bish. All this your talk when you talk for live video. You don't talk up and down for live video. It don't make sense. Your talk for live video nowadays, it don't make sense. People don't complain about your talk. Your talk don't make sense. All of them know say, me you talk. You say, no, me they talk to you. That's the way they do cut to you only talk. I say, calm down, babe, calm down, relax. You don't know way they do your content fine, good. If you come out of live video, your presentation now, the way you present yourself, it don't make sense. Now, what's easy your bed want they do with the beat and put? Now you want to start now. I say, now you don't open breast for grand. You don't show your boss ass for grand. I they watch you. I say, you don't show your boss ass for grand. See, that nonsense, I don't want to see you. I just, as make I tell you because you're my own. You see that nonsense where you do that program where you open boss ass. Or you do hook up, you say they do, you open boss ass, they see your nipple don't stand. Come, enter house. You see that rubbish content we do so. Enter house. See, all those your nyama with one wig with the before so. I don't want to see for your head. That your normal hair where you they do so they do one. Forget that your weed. People they complain. So which I talk. Normally, as friend go advise friend. So even though we're not a friend, even though we're not a boyfriend and girlfriend, we'll still be the normal friend. So the more they flow like friend, you feel me so. Forget all those ones, those your black bitch they do so. Do better content. Instead of the talk anyhow, as they talk anyhow, now you know we ain't call. Now I'm gonna say in case YouTube writes you, let me know. You understand? Because if you don't respond to them, they go kill that YouTube sharp. Because the time already reached. for them to kill the YouTube. But now arrest too. Me and my woman did together. Bam. We just did together. We did dining, we did eat. We just did dining, they eat. Bam. She they call me. And before they come, hey, now end the call. That was the next day. I have to end the call. And they use one hand to eat, and they use one hand to write to say, I deal with my woman. I will call you back immediately I through. You don't finish. She don't block me. She don't provoke. No, she don't block, she just provoke. So immediately I through, I can't call. Before I know what to happen. No, say, I wish she tell me, say, as I they eat with, well, I wish she tell me, say, YouTube send message you. You understand? I wish she tell me, say, YouTube send messages. Or see the message you send you, you forward that to me. I've even leave that food on my system. Answer YouTube. She don't talk. Immediately me through, bah. Be one blog video from my YouTube. I can't make I call this woman. Make I talk to her. Say you call her. Say hello. Say for her. Go what I want to ask you. Give one video with one blog. As I talk her, this woman don't provoke. What's the get given you now? Cough the video now, Fi call now. Sure? You know they made me. I say, hey, say this woman. Wanna see me see person? Fi call now. Do they talk? We never know where what's they happen. I don't know where they talk they go. I don't know where they do your shot. Now for me finish. I quickly end the call. Now cause what's it called they worry this woman? This woman today go do okay, tomorrow no go do okay. Bon, me ya dekun, na. E woman na give for. I go say, which kind of person be this one? Only me I the thing that one on my own. Now on my sister. So on my sister, I go to YouTube bar. Because she say, YouTube finally, and they wait, they don't say I don't reply. Because she don't know what she want to for that YouTube. You understand? I don't say, if message come, gets back to me, so that I'm not going to say fix everything up. On our phone me, madam. On our phone me, I too know. Now YouTube, where they don't see my reply, they drop the YouTube. Sharply. They drop the YouTube ban. They drop the YouTube. As I enter YouTube, they say, me, they don't drop the YouTube. I say, don't set. They don't finish. The YouTube is totally terminated. Now I call her. But they talk anyhow. I say, talk anyhow. My sister, I don't waste time. I block her. You let me connect me with you on this YouTube. Where they assist you to. Let me leave your WhatsApp conversation. So as they block the YouTube, I have to block her totally. And so my life be. This is why they tell you so. I get belle. Yeah. I get belle. That's my sister. If you get belle, if you get belle, that belle on your own. With this your attitude, with this your, to the extent even if my brother Titi, you call Titi ba, Titi will come call me. From Victor, you need a woman at all here. God forbid me marry such woman for us. Still they beg me, Frank Laona, and I love the word this woman. This woman I love you. This woman I love you. And I say, my sister, my brother, this kind of love now stupid love. This is a stupid nyama love. This one I love. Wait the cause. This one I love. This one I lost. Not be love. If I deal with this woman, my life will soon finish. This woman will kill my career. If I deal with this woman will kill me. I'm dead. He said, no. Now I say, my brother, this kind of woman, not the woman who they marry. I'll tell you one. I never married this woman now. You don't drag me reach where you did. If I come marry this kind of woman, put for house. Now me say, now family meeting every day. Now family meeting will be our house. So now brother, now me go this woman house. Now me stay with this woman for a few weeks now. Now me know what I see there. Now me know the kind of things where she be. So my brother, nobody will tell me, say run or stay. It's just 50-50. Either you stay or you, if you're not ready to die. If I want to die young, I go back. If I want to live long, I borrow leg bagger. And what you now, Titi no vex. I use God beg me. This woman, no conference me with this woman again. This woman, no go area, and I be. No go area. It was past to Salome Zowegi. For talk. Even me and Atiti, they come with her. Mouth be like taprata. To the extent Atiti tired. Atiti would tell us, yeah, oh, when I what angry. Even insult my father, Jonah. In the presence of Atiti. She would curse my papa. Sure. I said, Titi, there. Okuna marry you. Or we love or water. Which kind of love be that one? Woman with never. Now, this are brother sisters. Some women go for the insult. The only auntie berak be no there. Very high cool say. Especially those who do live video. Who see them for live video would say, hey, I think nothing motivational. They go motivate you today. Now wait till they pass through for my hand. No reasonable man go put dog for house. No reasonable man will get sense go put dog for house. Women, check your character. Men of nowadays, they want peace. No matter how you go harsh in terms of your husband, be calm. Now the only way the man go stay with you for house. If they come on live video, call it motivate women. My fellow single mothers, make una come here, make una come here. Tell your single mothers the real fact about you. Tell them the real fact about you. We don't let about this night talk. This one, when I just talk, so I just advise to a no give with it. Mama will put for us. You understand? This one, I'm 2022. I go beat you and your wife. I fully ready wait for you. Now today I say I will do video come for you. Take call you come and say you don't tire, you don't live very good. You don't live Benjamin, you don't live Vera. Today, this is even my topic before you before. You know, give me the tell you know. Today, my topic for you before. I want to ask you. 2022 don't reach you. We don't enter. Alpha, you don't live very good. You don't live Vera. You don't live Benjamin. You don't come out to the question Benjamin. Benjamin don't live. You won't think down. Benjamin never see live. Benjamin see they beat you black and blue. They come out. You wear Puma when your hand not come out. You not reach your Puma when not reach leg. We don't reach ground when you wear. Come. You know, me and you not the same class. At the wrong things, normal level, better style. If not because Proud Mom Steve got a useless himself with you. Proud Mom Steve not be same category with you. Proud Mom Steve now duplex this thing. You feel me so? One room for down. The rest now upside that day. You understand? She usually herself. Me no say if I dey chop some women, I know the kind of woman where they chop. No me nyama women. You feel me? Yes, this is not responsible woman go stay with me because why? Because you be biagia. I'm not a married biagia. That's why you don't go stay with me. You nyama Lizzie. Where I see for yourself. What to be your name? Lizzie. Yes. What do you expect? And I don't want to use this what is they call Proud Mom Steve to affect in friends too much. Proud Mom Steve, you and your friends. Because now you use your friends to analyze this issue. You and your friends want to stay with my video. What to be name? Test it. When I test it, what to be a YouTube name? Lizzie Gist. I don't know what to be your name. My video where your YouTube go to move on. I don't want since as you and your so-called Proud Mom Gist TV. Because I bed of the same that they flocks together. You understand? You say now you and Proud Mom say now you and now una got a plan now. Wanna prank me with pregnancy. Now Billy say as una prank me with pregnancy, I call the shake. Belle will not get her. I can't say I may get her. I want carry belle. And because I define picking me to get paper. I look like a nogi. With the carry another person picking. You feel me? Proud Mom say now in friends. Now I tell Proud Mom Gist TV. Make she use belle to prank me. Make you see how I want to react. With her attitude, with all those insults, she can't tell me say get belle. I can't be pregnant. Am I crazy? Now Jama with dinner. If man reject the pregnancy, you go born and you collect the benefit. Only you want to carry the benefit, they collect all the money. A normal level, not be new thing again. But you understand me now? So we'll leave the we'll play the audio, we'll leave the audio. I'm gonna continue to play the audio. But I'm gonna continue to play the audio. We'll continue to play the audio. We'll continue to play the audio. We'll continue the audio. They're not saying not to talk, they talk where, the typewriter, all the lies with this word. Now this phone where they use so. Now all our voice record which is single, go give another girl. Talk all the lies for my head. For my head though, what I don't tell this woman. This woman talk heaven and earth go give Eferos Magam. The same Proudmom TV. Snap, go Eferos inbox, go collect Eferos picture with a fake account. Go send, go give Ivie. Send me the friend Eferos. Make Ivie the beat Eferos. When I listen to what single mother they do, but bro, man will not be your own. Say, please forgive her. The man is going to say no cry. You understand? I don't want to disgrace her. Please don't say, man, I don't sleep with her. Me not come be like say, because we are not do, I call the describer. Respect is reciprocal. If you feel so, make I just chill, make it decrease. Only leave now, leave her. She just demand. All the video she do for the past 2 weeks, leave her house. I said, I don't want to get. Because I said, I don't want to get. She just don't crazy. She opened Proudmom YouTube page. You use my mom. You do this one. Man, no good. But for me, I go marry you. It just waiting they happen. You just 2 weeks relationship. You want just marry the man. Why are you desperate? Why am I desperate? Desperate single mother. Our own friend even call her that name. Desperate single mother. Now what's our own friend call us? You too desperate. Man, just come your house. You ain't just play game. You just want make marry you. Make just marry you. Not force. Woman, they respect himself. Now men, they need beg woman. Say, will you marry me? Please marry me. Only you want. May I go do court wedding? May I just go come here? May I go do court wedding? No. Boy, you go do court wedding. You go, you give me paper. You get ballet. I saw your picky get ballet. I saw this one get ballet. Waiting. Hey. That paper they cut they do. Then they cut they threatening men for Europe again. I'll just give you document. You see this one, you're be a girl. Now this one they laugh say you not get pass. Just come home, you go do marriage. May you give you paper. Wait till they happen. Not force. Not force. Paper. Waiting. I don't say come. Court marriage we they talk. I know they do. The only marriage we me I go fit do again. Na traditional marriage. Now if you get belly. If I never see something for the belly, I know they pay bride price. In your bar, I give I don't feel do one. You know go where. I know they do again. Me I block you for here. GPC, it came and wallow. You understand? I know they do again. You cannot force me with, you cannot use document to force me to come marry you. The Chris. Say you want come out for you. Now me you want come out for. Now me be man, now me carry bola. Now you carry bekus. Now man the dope. Man, I go pack 3 of una, 5 of una for house. I go see the go outside the shook. You know if you put 2 men for house at once. If you let me you get even ahead, you know if you put 2 men for house at once. The sweetest part of my life is see, if I don't know you, I don't tell you anything about myself. This is the reason why I'm umenwantv. This kind of woman, I wish I exposed my secret to her, my wicked point to this woman. Now where if I take, I said don't go meet them what they call her, enogi. Now that they for take home me. Now here I just want to talk and say, why I be Proudmom TV? Now come here evidence in and I be Frankie. Okay, enogi. This is be like you where they move the fuck all those for Munich. When you want to go do drama, the fuck was that bush. They talk anyhow. I look like person like that. Okay, you see after the talk for life, then after you go see me for that and go they talk. I'm gonna look you. In my hand, we were attacking the man with Izuo. Oku for that matter. Oku no. Uwo me my uwu or me my umu you talk. Oku. I did my drink. If you were inside, if you come yesterday. Brrr. You see this video. You ask which video? And what you have to do? I said, what make you they call me? What did they happen? What make you they call me? What did cause you? We talk normal. I don't like you. Me and Ivie, our talk yesterday was so sweet. You understand? After he talk finish, he talk sense. So Ivie talk sense yesterday. I know Ivie talk sense. After we talk finish, he said, Frank, you could have saga me. You know saga me too. You know like top of my head. We just we ain't score. You dey feel me? This one will be the place so now if you forgot this one to me. Another one sit there, another almost about 3 again, sit there one corner. I'll just look and laugh. Now where I sit down today, they forward that to me. See, they talk, they go. You and man do something. You just enter live video, they call people, they go, they talk. Just they call, they talk. Now so they pray sweet you. You know if you will keep your bekus, make you relax. As I just come for your house, bam, your mind will say, I don't knock and they go with another person. Who gets something just they one corner, they sleep in you. We know why we do fin here, wa bonya, wa cookie monya, carry wa wrong. But they say, hey, they're coming now, sure. We talked yesterday now. Well, they understand. So, my people, I greet now better style. I bought you nothing. Jack bought you nothing. How do you not Jack back young? Hello? Hello? Are they live? Who be this? You want to talk now? This speaker. It does speak.
Make you know the fee say na shoe carry the mother come give her jelly. She dey bully me. If I get like this, she not gonna let me rest.
Okay.
Jelly say take this woman. I don't know what you are doing. Which that? No, jelly go say no be this same woman. Now he carry it to that way he swear for. Now say he said the woman let her come and come back and I say she call you beg you after she don't do video for your head. Now jelly go say you do video for me and I say yes I go sure. She's so naive. She just well relationship now because in your think I think say he say in the calculate you don't calculate this one where. Now me tell Jelly say this woman do video for your head.
Okay.
Because Jelly tell me say the woman beg her. Now I say which thing take beg you? He beg you before he do video for your head or he do video for your head before he beg you. Now Jelly say he not see the video where he do for your head. Now me come show up Jelly.
Okay.
That's why Jelly say he must beat her. He was bullying me plus swearing for her. She calculate the two together because they add this woman put. So I don't know. Everyone talk about it. You know the fair information before you talk. That woman they call me Bukafish. Nobody wants to be man to me. Hey.
Thank you very much.
I greet the asshole.
I will hear you.
Now, they talk. If I don't call.
What?
Where have you my way?
It was a lawyer. You should bet.
Who cannot where we are, we are.
Yeah, we are. It told him, no, we are. Yet it told him, we are. But was.
Because you work by me, you bet in here.
Oh, wow, easy, man. I get your way now. We talk about me. Oh, bad.
Because the single mother arrested. Yo, who beg it, yeah? I will live video for them. You have to well understand because every can understand the line. That's all the my social media because everyone may wear one. When we forget, forgive and forget. But when we never forgive, we will.
I will beg you. Because now forgive him. When not.
Then I agree, my brother. Social media, I'm a CIG. You understand? You know, also we live video for the one.
No, wahala.
Sorry, my baby. You understand because in my don't even 2021 too much. She my brother. I understand.
Yeah.
Wahala. If you go more than my boy, they may we make a wash you. I guess you have to wash you.
Oh, we have to watch you. Wako Gileki. Oh, we have to watch you. Oh, wahala. My people, I greet you now. Now see the girl we call so that Eferos TV. This woman, now she they go the bully Eferos for her own, for her mind. They think say Okay, just the way I dey help at for YouTube, I dey help this one, I dey help this one. So you can't feel all those women, I dey sleep with them. I tell her, say, come, the FA with the suspect. I never see her face to face, so I never see her face to face. We never do anything. I don't know her. No, we just dey talk. We don't tell the day group. Now go make me know how go. FA me, I not get anything. You not here. If for my back. If that one they do with live video, they want to do now about deportation. Any deportation they want to pour for Gemini, that one they bring the news they come out. You go the saga that one to the yesterday. Go the impulse that one. When I hear that one, what this girl talk. For her mind now, when Aviele the saga now, she dey feel say na me go give Aviele a matter. Now they get she for this stupid. I not get enemy. Aviele the birthday now on the first on New Year Day. I come out categorically come celebrate Aviele. Last year I felt doing. This year I celebrate them. Aviele who do me Aviele the quarrel. I celebrate them. It not remove anything from my hand. It not me say that my enemy. I celebrate Aviele. As he sit down, he say why me go celebrate Aviele. That means me and Aviele will not be friends. When I hear now Aviele they talk now. Through this girl when Aviele they talk, I not give Aviele. I don't block Aviele take who they stagger ourselves. From then now she they think say me and Aviele not they play. Now make carry a matter go to Aviele. It is this stupid like that. You look me say I be those kind of talkative because I dey talk for live video. If you say the relationship where they do cool, say I go call it talk anyhow for live video for people. She herself use her leg come out for live video they talk. Pere. By herself she call Aviele. Now this record take come out. She call Aviele. You Aviele they saga herself. Me, I do my drink. I do my young. I know where I did the bring coffee to come make break. See all you break. See all just Mona arrest for this man. And they even they settle the matter on back of the scene without she knowing. Mona arrest for this matter. Mona, the next thing what she go send for me a message. And they listen. After she don't do video for my head though, she don't insult me. Day before yesterday, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, early morning. Me she dey sleep. She don't insult me finish. She can't send me text message. Because I don't block her for normal call. She can't send me text message. Maybe she could also send me text message now. With different number. Send me text message. Frank, remember you are the one who gave me mad woman. Give me who he said I may give her to Aviele. Aviele in the come mad woman so now the message which is for me, which is on Sunday, yeah. Sunday. Now she sent this message for me by 6:07. Now she's can you imagine 6:07? Me see they sleep that time. I see they sleep. Oh. She don't they talk about it. They don't prepare to enter live video. One can saga me. Me they bed they sleep. So now me give her me carry a matter go give her Aviele. Whereas I don't know one, I don't know two. The one way hold they not be hold me. I don't know what they do my own, they go there. So they talk, brack, they talk. So see, the last word we talk, say, you say, don't start what you cannot finish. You don't threaten me. So don't start what you cannot finish. If not, the whole world will shake. The whole world will shake. I won't face Aviele. Rather, I will face you. I swear to God. Yeah? I did not beg you to pay my bride price. Oh. Yes, I said it because you asked me to get pregnant first. Only me. I laugh. I say again because you want buy market. Now this one be the woman who not say make person say na proud mom. Na proud mom be this one. Where they use themselves, they beg man. Now man they beg woman say marry me. Man they beg woman say marry me. Not be woman they say come marry me. Come on do wedding. Everything I do wedding. Because now you get money pass. I don't want to talk. I never talk. Oh, you let everything lie. Not be that kind of man. You understand me soon. Call the good time. You feel me? I be enjoyment man. I don't like quarrel. Understand? If you mature, all this nonsense no will come out. Because you don't mature now. Because matured women, they do something. with man. If you don't work hard, they will pack well. Now immaturity will make you and man do something together. You go just call all your friends random. Call Atiti, call this one, call this one, call this one, call this one. Till they saw. Don't be say the man curse you, the man beat you, the man not do you anything. You go they call around. To the extent you go they call people, they record you up and down. What you come make because you finally decide say this kind of person may God forbid my life. Woman will go do something, you go see they deny. Say this thing not doing. Go they deny, no, my way. Who are me no again about who are we no or we are seeing we my way. A book we don't need. Why are the book we don't your way? You understand? I help her be go do normal level. Okay, I wish I not go. I wish I not salute this woman now. She will come and call it and say, "Hey, that girl level. You say me, you know, so I be proud mom. How you go come my house for the first time? Come give her because me do. How you go come my house for the first time? Now this kind of women that they talk anyhow, just the way they talk anyhow. So after she don't fool herself, the way she just they talk anyhow for life, you know. If to say I don't salute around that day now with better style, girl, they click on me. Oh. If I can't come out for life, yeah, you don't know me. I'll say I be proud mom. I need to be proud mom. Yeah, I will give my. I pray. I'm doing Iva. This is one of such a girl going bazin. Baba got salo way, sister got salo way, salo way. Any year, bolo way. Any year, why what the saga? Join them. Let me test you. Because you no get passing megbe, you no get back reading megbe. You no get too small for me to beat. My yama no man. You no get reading megbe, you no get what can reading megbe. Proud mom, de baya. You go wayak be. You go wayak be even without audio. I go disgone one of not together. Mais non, tout no no one go basin. Tu sais avec la tibada ti. O ba gele on a about this man. When me work basin now. You are the one to tell me my way. I cannot do that. I monkey. If I cook beans, I'll do my drink. I want to know. Yeah, we'll go back cooking live now. Hello. Good evening. You know the speaker. Oh, ya me yaku. Oh, ya me yaku. Me me gbin o me asun agbin. Wahala to yeju. No problem. Thank you. All right. Hello. Oh yeah, let's
Proudmumtv. Or what done it with move. I told that about 11 jogger with Bishop where if I vito men one not to steal. You want to swear Proudmumtv the way we don't know my Facebook now way get if I vito no you will what up. Proudmumtv no we practice no practice.
Ah oui, moto stien. Ah oui, moto stien. Madame, poste, nous goumete bi toasting. Imagine that. Anoda. Mama gume tebe no yasunu we gume uwe problem gume moto stien e problem mi gume moto stien wa gume go wagun imate oni guan o ima oni guan hey god ima oni guan Ima on iguan. Proud mom. E mata us in the ya when iguan. Ima, I call him, man. Inyagua. And okay, la re do tale yo. La re ulo ho wa sumugu. I don't do tale yo. Ima on iguan. Hello. Oh, hello. Okay. Me a reserve. I don't want to talk. Okay, sir. Thank you, ma'am. No problem, man. No problem. Thank you, man. Thank you. God bless you. You are lucky. All these reasonable women say they can leave you. You are lucky. You found no man quoi. You pick a call. Mario ni igwan. Oh, we may toast to where. Because of men with the right. Bros, I don't hear lucky. Bros, no you at all. Me I leave you. Because of one thing. That wounded the nakwe. You understand? Say I can as be in it. Material is where going. Tell whatever I will talk to you. You understand? But you say where me I leave you because of God. Because I get my way your way. Because I will your way, you understand? Who's the big babo? Egwa vo bago yi. Ya hey rush. You understand? Hey rush. You calm down. But with this man is capable. Understand? Yes, my beautiful sisters as good. You see, it's not what's like. Oh, if I ball go, you say me, are you did the same level? Ah, what bijou? You know, one yamule. What to? We went level, but now level you le. You to why you le. You go. Come on, now me you can't. When you carry your man, come on. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. I did fine.
I didn't watch your live video. That thank God so you said you don't rest. I beg, All your thought to do. I beg, leave them. Here, they say how come. So may you all leave the woman.
No,
May they promote the woman. I beg.
No,
because you cannot go the talk. Now matter go the long. You understand? So leave her. When social media and I go, you don't allow no move. 2 to 3 days away from me.
No shaking.
So that where the topic in me and I will go, the woman said,
we can we do we ko iru nu ele we do we can nu ele just Can you imagine?
What a shame. Social media, you get total life video, the video with so. Although I give no where we wallow your care.
Can you imagine? The man when you go me let me go me ki me you na. Let me go me ki me you because when I ogbon no. No, thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Wato. Hello. I greet you. No. No wahala, no. I don't live on. I don't live on. Greet you, one love. How you be? Everywhere good. What? Yes, so my people are great to know better style. Hello? I greet you, bros. I make greet you pass. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala. No wahala. Don't leave on. Alright, man.
Frank.
Yeah, man.
Domo.
Yeah, let's speak out.
This my hand that I be too love this lady. Kai. I take it love you for now. Proud mom now. I be too love her, but she just got full herself. Anyway, I'm not even very full of Russia.
Everybody like oh, that's your dick me one. Okay, now I want to ask appointment. What's the appointment? Why are the tickets? Why the tickets? Oh my own hello wahala. Give away. Give away now. Hello. Hello. Have you really work hard? Oh yeah, go back, go.
Yeah, go walk. We call up, no call it, because no fear call, no, I'm listening. No call it, no call it, what? No, roto. Now, I want you marry. You understand? The matter be say, no, we all know the way we want to talk. Mostly callers. Why must you call friend? They say, na so set, na ise na ko. Maka ge frak ni frak yari o wegeni. Maka ge frak no agree je. Eto. Maka ge call us igwa bi amenwe. Na mania. Na ma understand. I get in other robi me na vialele of where I give me a robi faki. No na listen why go mere na we call us because I already know listen. All the presenters cannot be college when they walk with it with the wedding. It can walk second one. What's your name? Where? Everyone at Bua. I get don't not get fucking it. No matter it have a level no get power. I don't even have a practice because a practice got over here. We have a social media. Everyone no. A plot in me. Social media.
Damn yo, Emma, we are giving my way back with page of me. We are giving my way out by the lagoon. They are whatever. They are whatever. When they have more, attack the page, maybe not Latin. Attack the page, maybe not Latin. Every account Latin who can talk at one. Who didn't know when you are away. What are you saying? What are you saying? Back page me. We got video. My no get record. Guys, just use your hand. The first day when you do video. The first day when you do video, na me I no get the call. E no get me with the video, with the live video.
Make us call us. Make them use sense. So it's not good now. It's not good. You are not my party. Party. Not Benin. Carry no Nigeria.
When I went over, Larry, who wear ya do your way.
Because I don't analyze
La let's get for the no. Get for the no. My salad
social media.
Mama, where's it? Thank you, eh? Yeah. Oh yeah, fire down. Would they hear you this speaker? Iya mo gumagwan. Iya mo wegwan. Uwe le kayi we wa. Wa gbituma. Gumagwan.
Bros, what I want just tell you be say I beg. No, just leave the woman beg.
I don't leave her now.
I beg just leave her.
Okay, no wahala.
That moment when two of them just stay there, I beg just leave her, I beg.
Okay, no wahala.
Even though say see they insult you, not your mind I beg. For that moment when two of them tell you, because I remember that time when you go there, I watch na beat you, I beg. Anything when they talk, not your answer, yeah. Just behave like a man. Don't say na woman, yeah.
Okay, no wahala. Mama gumagwan. Oh yeah, talk to me. I'm hearing you. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Good evening. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello?
Okay, ma will hear you.
Okay.
All
No,
right.
I just did. I said make I call you, make I beg you, I beg. Just leave that woman.
Okay.
Beg that woman.
Okay.
What's here? Because
Okay.
you're surprising me. Even I the level it down social media might do what take photo.
Okay, no wahala. No
Yeah,
wahala.
no understand. I beg me just forgive you allow.
No problem.
We don't know. We don't know.
Wow.
Allow.
Alright. Yeah, moyo. I don't hear you.
Okay, I beg you. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you very much, man. No wahala. Yeah, man. Hello, we hear you. What talk about you? Wallet. We'll be again from the beginning. If you don't know,
Okay.
yeah, no. I'll give you. Well, yeah, but don't listen to your one. No, I don't know.
I don't understand this kind of people. If you ask me, what this view
Ave would ye gbemi ave dado ge ko ikin eke na wu abia yi eke na wo no wo abia yi ave ko salegbe ko dead ave dado ge ikin oge wa wo you know do ni special Hunda ave collapse ave man ti sineri ni enigbe iya boy forgive life goes on but ya talo o italo gbe wa me mato mo no je fo unmi abi konen o no je ya bi mu na go na ya de yo the truth see the truth be say you see our women, some of our women they use their hand, they call single mother. You understand? Unyimo ku because everything I reasoning as I did so woman come born for me for year now this Jamie your day. Yeah, I'm gonna see my children fine just like this same woman now. I see children just fine rich. Are those children fine rich like that? The father go just wrong. He not gonna need the woman again. You know, even near the woman again. That kind of thing. Some men, as men like children rich. Instead, the father will go and meet another single mother. Did they help and they take care of another picking? Why in you did this journey too? Some of our women go to reason that and say, well, you better let you one eye. Unyime no. Not be money. Unyime wa ma be out for call the other. Gidi go, what a lot. We are beg. Can you just shut up? Can you just keep quiet for like 5 minutes? No, what a good for 5 minutes. Oh, there were what a lot. Oh, there were for just 2 weeks. Not boy, because of the talent. Not boy. If ring, if ring, man go take call. Who are jealous with or what? What go with phone? What call with phone? The next thing the first man call up the can that kind of a woman stay husband house? How can you imagine? Can you imagine? Presenter when everybody for the whole world they call. You understand? I go drop my phone. You will go into my phone. Go they look the messages when they enter my phone. Then you will come live video. Me they downstairs with your children. They play with your children. You did live video for up. They talk. They insult my followers for upstairs. You don't understand? You go my phone. And you do the live video. They insult my followers for upstairs. They say woman. A different woman that they toast from Victor. Different woman that they follow from Victor. You go to talk about live video. You go my own privacy. I make they down. They take care of your children for downstairs. The man guy. All my fans because they come see. What Frank? That's how you be. How you really of? How for the first place? How you any woman where they always check your husband phone without your husband not give you that permission. As I did so, I not give it now they hide. That's why password. Now let this phone where they do that video. So now password day. The rest of that my phone no password. And they put password. I not give it now they hide. You just carry my phone. You will enter. That same woman will come look your phone. Come on live video. Come to talk anyhow. The same people where they make me get joy. I never pay your bride price. I never marry you for us. You will put them mine. They come to talk to my followers anyhow for live video. If I come marry that kind of woman for us, no one say go drag me for this from. You go pursue my fans. You know they call me again. So when I what they want here, the reason why many men they run for women be that one. Today now, for example, say this one can't really get belly. Can't get a belly for me. You can't expect person like me. You never turn single mother phase 3. Single mother, 3 men, 3 husband. If to say really say on with all this attitude, which of you for this live video will advise me to stay with this kind of woman? You understand? Not be say you too smart. You can never be too smart for man. Upon us, no be too smart. Mommy, you smart past man. Man just want to keep quiet. He just want to respect himself as a man. I go make and say, make I just overlook you. You smart. You dey advise women. You dey motivate single mother. You smart now, man. Call your ass, chop you, claim out. But can't leave you. You see the cry for one. You come out the live video. You constantly talk without no shame. No man want marry woman will not get shame. No man want marry woman will not get shame. Woman will not get shame. He can never see man will put her for us. They talk what? When you tell a live video, why you swowa? Who you tell a wowa? You don't need. But I don't have a book. You don't know. You believe we're going to make talk? Probably going to have a live video now. You didn't hear go on wowa. It is soon. It is soon. Why tell a live video? Why you will with your own life of living? The same talk. Man, would they beg you? Men just keep quiet for once.
How the children will take up with that kind of somebody?
My sister, oh God. I die for you. Oh, what? Off with me.
Anyhow, is mistaken or loud and
Boya o. Let him marry you now. Let him marry you now. Boy, na me level. We no wa be bo live video ni. E ti salo. E ti pe. E ti salo wa menu kekan. Iri go over ni ma ri pa. Odo ki gboloko yo moru. Oti. Again, e ba me bo o ya lori am we wa. We ti ke easy. Wa. So ku ire bi buyan ti wa. Ye ja. Oti me gbe don. O ka do ka de no. Wa fu we. Yes, now. Other gogging, better gogging. You get the gog on home for. Get the
Oh my God.
Yeah, also me here. Yeah, also me here. This is that name of men. This is not just joke. No, say that name. Not be today. And everyone now will mag game winning. I'm off like me. What? All right, man. Hello. Yeah. Hey, you speaker. Okay. All right, man. Okay. Hello.
Hello, from Victor.
I greet you, bros. Yeah.
It's way.
What up, man?
I see say somebody the rubbish shoe for one corner for live video.
Who be that person?
I don't know something Mama Umenwantv talk show.
Okay, then.
You sabi the person?
Yeah. Now my babe.
Okay, now your girl.
Yeah.
It's very strange. I feel say maybe she won't use you try to get viewers. That is the reason why she try to do rubbish you for one corner that side.
No.
Say all sorts of rubbish about you.
No, man, no.
When I little man on the radio, that must be she would deal lousy well.
No,
I don't want to propose into this kind of affair anyway. That kind of a person, she must be too lousy.
I'm a law. I'm a boy here. I said I don't know. I put away. I for 2 months.
Yes.
You understand?
Because me myself, I was almost commenting wrong. Relegated. They are commenting very bad. Before you get to someone comment there, a post of it, they can call you and you find out all that transpired.
Yeah, we just have fun, normal level as man to woman. You don't understand? That's all, nothing much. But she want to take us as in like forever food. I did not feel like that based on the attitude doesn't match my kind of woman. So.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware